It is exam season, guys, and I know, like everyone else, आप किताबों के पन्ने पलटने के बजाय scroll कर रहे हो अपने phone. I was a very moody student, which meant that I had multiple interests. I loved dancing, I loved singing, I loved sports, I loved skits. So it was very difficult for me to appropriate my time only and only on studying. The harsh truths about colleges in India and abroad is that everything depends on a percentile, which means the cutoff could be like 97%, 91%, 88%, and the batches in all your favorite colleges will be full in no time. My first tips is going to be hyper planning. Yes, you need to hyper plan, which means that if you have exams, say like in December, like 10th of December, for example, you don't start the night before studying. Like I know most of you guys are be like, oh my god, Sakshi, हम तो एक रात पहले पढ़ते हैं, हम तो 2-3 घंटे पहले पढ़ते हैं. But if you want to do that, you can. But if you want to succeed in this exam season, then you need to start at least 15 days ago, right? Or if you're like, oh, 15 days is too much, maybe we don't have leaves at that time, yeah, हमारी classes हैं, whatever, then you can start 7 days before. So how do you schedule it? So basically, अगर आपके पास है, say, 5 chapters, okay, per subject, and then आपके पास है 5 subjects, then you need to divide your week accordingly. For example, अगर मैं Monday subject 1 को tackle करूँगी and say Wednesday subject 2 को tackle करूँगी, ऐसे करते करते in a span of 7 days, I'll be covering all my subjects. Now remember one thing, you study the first exam on the last few days of your schedule, ताकि अगर आप बहुत पहले start कर लोगे, by the time you have your first exam, you'll forget everything you studied. So always remember कि आपका जो last exam है उसकी planning start होती है पहले, उसके बाद second last, then third last, and then your final exam. That's out of the way. You need to plan कि आपको एक subject cover करने के लिए कितना time लगेगा. So I'm sure we all have our strengths and our weaknesses. So आपके जो strong subjects हैं आप उनको बाद में रखिए, and जो subjects आपके थोड़े से weak हैं या जिनको ज़्यादा time देने की ज़रूरत है because portion ज़्यादा है या आपको practice ज़्यादा करना है, so उनको सबसे last में रखिए. So for example, एक subject को 2 दिन लगे, किसी और सब्जेक्ट को 1 day, 1.5 day, कोई सब्जेक्ट्स को सिर्फ हाफ अ डे लगते हैं. सो प्लान अकॉर्डिंगली. सो वंस यू डिसाइडेड दैट, द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज इवन सिंपलर. स्टार्ट डिवाइडिंग योर डे. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं सब्जेक्ट नंबर 1 को मंडे एंड ट्यूसडे पढ़ूंगी, आई एम गोइंग टू डिवाइड माई स्टडी आवर्स बिटवीन मंडे एंड ट्यूसडे बेस्ड ऑन द नंबर ऑफ चैप्टर्स, द नंबर ऑफ sections that I need to cover for that particular subject. So my study hours used to be like in the morning 9 to 12, and then afternoon में 3 to 5, and then I would revise at night after dinner, like around 9 o'clock to 11. And if you're someone who is a morning person, जिसको रात में पढ़ना पसंद नहीं है या जिसको रात में पढ़ने से याद नहीं रहता, then no problem, you can revise next morning before breakfast, which can be like 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock until 9 o'clock. And this is how you can divide your studying process. And just remember that every time you study, the most important thing is to take notes. Now, I am not a believer of lengthy notes, because you know what, whenever it's lengthy, it's going to be like another set of textbook that you have to read, and we don't want to do that before exams. So another hack that I want to share is to make notes. Now, when you make notes, do not write everything. आप chapter summaries बनाइए, important keywords, important definitions, important concepts का एक graph बनाओ, और you know what, just create a word cloud. Word cloud is basically, imagine this large cloud like thing, and if there is a particular topic, उससे related जितने important words या phrases हैं that describe that particular word, आप उसको उधर mention कीजिए. So whenever you have to revise, you just look at the word cloud and you'll be like, oh boom, yeah, this is how the answer needs to be phrased. My final tip is going to be walk while you study. I was never the kind of student जो एक जगह पे बैठ के पढ़ सकती है, because you know what, the moment I hit the chair or the bed, I would get distracted. I'll start thinking of something else. I was a daydreamer, so I'll start zoning out. But what you need to do, that if you walk and you talk and you teach yourself and you're studying, the chances of getting distracted or losing focus are down to 0. Love the tips. Do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and comment if you have any particular study tips जो आपको काम आए, so that अगर कोई student है जिसके exam आ रहे हैं and वो overwhelmed है, वो overwhelmed से A+ student बन सकता है. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next one.